So let's get into it. Jason Brown here, stock market coach and options trader at thebrownreport.com. Let's break down the 4 things that you should do should you find yourself in the middle of a stock market crash. Number 1, don't panic, stay calm. I'm talking woosah, right? Listen, stay calm. Most people panic, and what happens when you panic? You're not thinking with a clear head. You're typically thinking with emotion. You're thinking, I'm losing all my money. It's going to go to zero. What about my retirement? I want you to stay calm. I know that's easier said than done with everything that's on the line, but if the market is crashing, typically you'd find the crash of 2008, for example, when the market crashed, it only took about 2 to 4 years for the market to completely rebound and go higher than it was before the market sold off. So if you can stay calm and think through about a 2 to 4 year period, it's a good chance that your account will recover. Number 2, find out how to stop the bleeding. That's right. When you see blood on the streets, everybody wants to panic. I know blood is scary, but when you see your account bleeding red, your stocks are selling off and things are trading down really, really fast, I want you to figure out how to stop the bleeding. So if you know how to trade options, there's some things you can do with put options. There's some things you can do with covered calls, spreads. I did an entire podcast about this subject and how you could potentially protect yourself from a stock market crash, but learn how to stop the bleeding. We'll put a link to that episode so you can listen to some of the strategies and tactics. But if you can stop the bleeding, then you can neutralize your account and you can go to sleep at night knowing this is the worst that it'll ever be because you put some strategies in place to lock in your current price levels and that it won't go any lower than that. Number 3, this one might be a toughie. Consider adding more money. That's right. I'm not crazy. I know you probably think I'm crazy, right? Right? No, I'm not crazy. But consider adding more money. So what am I talking about? I want you to think about real estate. When real estate market crashed in about 2008, what happened? Houses were being given away for pennies on the dollars. Now, there was 2 types of people. One person was saying, don't buy houses. The prices are too cheap and they're going down. Another person was saying, give me as many houses as I can get because I can't believe they're selling for these cheap prices. The same thing with the stock market. During some of these crashes, it's actually, in most cases, a good opportunity to buy some great stocks. Amazon's not going away anytime soon. Google, not going away anytime soon. There's good companies that are selling at reasonably low multiples that you can actually start to buy and get in the game and own and ride all the way back up once the market recovers. So I want you to consider possibly adding more money. Number 4, learn the strategies to protect yourself in the event of a stock market crash. This is really preventative maintenance and probably should have been number 1. See, the good times don't last forever. Stocks do not always go up. In fact, stocks move 3 ways, up, down, and sideways. And so if you already know that stocks can move down or potentially sideways, wouldn't it just make sense to learn some strategies for the sideways and the downward market so that you can either protect yourself or, potentially even make money from stocks falling? And so when you're in the middle of a stock market crash, it's typically too late. And so you want to learn these strategies before it happens so that you can A, protect yourself, B, stop the bleeding, C, potentially add more money and profit on the fall as well as the rise and the recovery of the stock market. Hey, again, I'm Jason Brown, stock market coach and options trader at thebrownreport.com. And if you want to learn some of my option trading strategies, how to read the charts, how to protect yourself, how to profit from a stock market crash, I want you to swing on over to powertradesuniversity.com. Check out some of the courses that we have on stock trading, option trading, as well as group coaching. I'll see you on the next video.